All right, today let's talk about this CRAFTSMAN 25-foot measuring tape. It is on the lower price when it comes to measuring tapes, but I like how it combines the ability to have a high quality one that's made out of more metal than it is plastic, while still being a really affordable price. Let me walk you through some of the details here. So first off, it is 25 feet. You'll see that the numbers are really, really big, which I absolutely love. As I get older in life, well, let's just be honest, it becomes a little harder to see. So these numbers are nice and big. Now, if you want something with both inches and millimeters, in metric settings, this does not have it. Doesn't bother me. I don't really ever use that, but many of the other ones I've had in the past have both on them. I like this because then I can get a reading for inches on the top or on the bottom, depending on how I'm measuring. Pretty solid build. It slides very easily. It feels like it's made from probably your average thickness, whatever this is, if this is metal or if this is plastic. It's got a nice, really solid metal tip with 3 rivets, so I do have confidence that it will last for a while. The lock is easy to use. It's just a standard lock like most. That does tend to go over time, but I just got this, so I don't know how long that's going to go. I like this really grippy plastic top because it really gives you the ability to hold onto it. It does not slide out of the hand very easily. It does give you the ability, if you want, to tie something through this so you can hook it to your belt. And then last but not least, it has a very nice metal belt clip. And again, sometimes these are plastic and they'll break and stuff. You can take this out if you want with a screwdriver. So overall, just a pretty simple measuring tape. Very simple build, very simple design, but it does feel very sturdy and does feel very nice for the price point.